All right. When you are here, just go straight to FBS, or it could be SNES. I will show you how to connect on SNES too. Probably when you are here, click on FBS. Look at it. FBS. This is the app. You can download it on Play Store or App Store. Click on it and allow it to load in. If you are signed up for the first time, if you don't have an account, just click on this Google. Continue with Google. When you click on it, allow it to load first. Then let me select an email. Okay, just click on the email you want to use. Please ensure you have the password to that email. Ensure you have the password to that email. You have access to it, so that you can log in at any time. Because they will be sending you email to that. They will be sending you a message to that email whenever you want to withdraw your money. So set the password. But for me, I've set my password. Let me enter my password. Put the same password again. Then allow it to load. FBS have a very beautiful interface, very user-friendly interface. When you get to this point, then you click on funds. You can see that there's no money in the account. Click on more. You can see that this is a very fresh account. Okay, for the sake of this tutorial, I'll be connecting these accounts that don't have money inside. I'll click on these people, they have a simple way to connect it to MT5. I'll still show you how to connect it to MT4 for those of us that are using MT4. So click on go to look at it. Click on go to MetaTrader 5. Just click on it. It will land you into MetaTrader 5. Before you click on it, ensure you have downloaded MetaTrader 5 already. Then when you get to this point, they will not ask you for password. Minimize it and go back to your FBS. Copy this password here. Look at the password. This one, that's the password. Click on copy. Just click on that icon that is there. Let me shift this. Click on copy. Let me shift my. Click on copy. Once you copy it, minimize again and go back. Then you paste it here. Okay. After pasting it, just click on sign in and see what will happen. So the account will be added. If you go here now, you see that. Let's give it some time to reflect. And you can see that the account has been added. So if you credit money inside your FBS now, even if you send $100, $1,000, you'll see the balance will reflect here. That's how to connect it to MT5. Now let me show you how to connect it to MT4. Now you go back to your MT. Since this is MetaTrader 5 account, if you want to connect it to MetaTrader 4, you need to create a MetaTrader 4 account separately. So you now go to this place. Let me show you. You now go back, create trading account. Inside this trading account, click switch primary account. Look at it. Switch primary account. Click on it. Then, for the sake of this tutorial, I want to create a MetaTrader 4 account. I'll click on open account. So let me look at demo account of MetaTrader 4. Look at this one. Look at this one. MetaTrader 4. Look at it. MetaTrader 4. This one also is MetaTrader 4 on a real account. So if you want to open a real account, MetaTrader 4, this is it. If you want to open demo, this is it. For the sake of this tutorial, I want to create a new real account. So I'll now click on this one. After clicking on it, you now go back. You can see that this is account now. This is the account. Look at the MetaTrader 4 showing here. You can see. So let's connect this one. Let's connect this one to our MT4. Okay. So the same way, you just click on. This time, let's copy the password first. Look at the password. Click on it. Copy the password. Then click on MetaTrader 4. Then it will land you to MetaTrader 4. Okay, they said fail. Authorization failed. Okay, let's do it manually. Okay, click on this place. Click on this point. Wait, let me show you something. When you are here, click on this point. Click on this point. This quote point here. This point. That 3 lines. Click on the 3 lines. Then you click on it. Then you click on manage account. This manage account. Click on it. Then you click on manage account. Then you now see FBS. Look at all this one. They are not important. Just click on this plus icon here. Click on this plus icon here. Click on it. Click on logging into existing account. The second one, click on it. Find broker. FBS. FBS. Now, after clicking on FBS, after searching for FBS, minimize and go back. Go back to FBS and look for the saver. This one is FBS Real 9. Look at it. FBS Real 9. FBS Real 8. Yes, FBS Re8. Now you go and search for FBS Re8. Go back there. Search for FBS Re8. Let's look for FBS Re8. FBS Re8. This is it. FBS Re8. This is it. Click on it. Okay. After clicking on it, let's minimize and go back. Okay, let's paste the password. We have copied the password already. Let's paste the password. Paste the password. Then let's go back and copy the login. The login. This is the login here. This is the login. So copy your login. After copying your login, head over to MetaTrader 4 and paste it there. Paste your login and click sign in. Click on sign in. Alright, you can see that our account is visible. Our account is not visible on MetaTrader 4. If you click here, you now see 000 account. If you credit your MetaTrader 4, you'll see your money here on MetaTrader 4. Alright, that's how we do it. Don't forget to like and follow this channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share the video. Thanks for watching. Peace.